Hello and welcome to the Right CNC training video on how to purchase and assign Mach3 and Sheetcam licenses. Let's go ahead and get started. Now you will have received a packet of information at this time with specific logins that we'll be using throughout this video. For the sake of safety, we won't be actually putting those passwords or manually saying that out loud or typing them in here. So just note that those passwords may have changed. Make sure you look at your packet for more information on exactly how we proceed from here. Let's start off with Sheetcam. So likelihood is we'll be receiving a purchase order with the information. It should have the customer's name, the customer's table size, as well as the type of access that they need. 9 times out of 10, it's just your basic Sheetcam and Mach3. As our tables expand and grow, we may need other types of licenses, but in this particular case, we're not going to worry about that. So we're going to go ahead and input our username and password in our OEM login, and you'll get to that by going to sheetcam.com/register/registermain.php. And we're going to hit submit once we've input that information. This will allow us to get up to the purchase Sheetcam screen, wherein we'll actually click on Sheetcam TNG. Click here. Now all of these are in pounds. This will be automatically transposed down here to the US dollar approximate amount. Then we're going to go Mach2, Mach3, and we're going to click on that since we are using the Mach3 system still. The total for that should be approximately $259.03. Now this will of course change with accordance to the markets, what have you. This will essentially get us all straightened away. If there are any other sort of, if there are any other tools that we're planning on using in here to purchase, you would just click on these as well with that. That being said, let's go ahead and move along. We're going to go ahead and hit next. So we've selected our two things. Now in this case, we're going to input the size of the table under the customer's name, or the, I'll explain what we do here. Now these systems might have changed since then, so please don't take this as the hard and fast rule, but this is how we currently, I currently notate this. So it's WCP 22001B15. That is a Right CNC plasma table 2x2 base, and this is the 15th license we're purchasing for the 2x2 table. I like to keep track of the specific number of licenses we put. I go ahead and copy that information and I paste that into the notes on the invoice, and then of course I put the customer email, which in this case could be anything. Could be the customer's email, but in this case we make sure that we send it to ourselves here at our office. So we're going to go ahead and put list this as James at Right CNC. Look at that. And once I've done that, we don't have any discount code here, so we're just going to go ahead and click next. Alright, so that being said, we have that number inputted, license name, sent to, order number. We go ahead and click check out. Now, when we click checkout, we're going to be diverted to a PayPal screen. That's their default payment method. I'm just going to go ahead and type in our password here and take a look at that. We'll go ahead and get access. Information will display here, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this portion here. We use our PayPal balance. We have our specific amount here. We're just going to hit continue. It's going to come to this screen. Hey, you're going to be using this amount here, $276.60, with accordance to the PayPal understanding of the market. And then we're going to hit pay now. And that's how we purchase this. Now from here you're going to receive a series of emails, and one of those emails is going to have some information for you to upload into Mach3. Now I'm going to go ahead and hop over to my email here and grab that information, and we'll take it from there. So I'll be back. Okay, so now that we're here, you'll notice that we have our registration code in our Mach3 in our email. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. This is sort of kind of what that email format's going to look like, and then we're going to go ahead and take that over to our Mach3 website. All right, Mach3 website. Here we are. Look at that. Okay. We're going to go ahead and we're going to access our account. Now in this case, I've already clicked my account and we're already signed in under the default name here. This is our current purchaser. We want to make sure that our purchasing name is listed in here. Now we can also see what licenses this purchaser purchased by clicking Manage My License. But let's go ahead and go to Cart. We're going to click on Cart. Oh, there we go. All right. And then we're going to actually input that code that we got earlier and click Apply Coupon or Registration Code. Perfect. You're going to notice that it's going to have a total of $175. The coupon code is for that $175, and there we go. Order total is going to be $0.00. We're going to go ahead and click on Proceed to Checkout. Perfect. Now we have default information listed here. The email address where that Mach3 license is going to end up is listed right there. And we're going to go ahead and also put in the WCP 2200B15 as we did previously in the other screen for Sheetcam. This is to make sure that everything is in order and that we pair our licenses up, because they do go together quite well in this case. We're going to accept our terms and conditions, hit place order, and go from there. Look at that. Okay, so it's been placed. That order has been placed, and you'll receive an email. And those two emails, the one with the Sheetcam download and the Mach3 download, will be forwarded over to the appropriate department to go ahead and assign to a customer in our CRM, as well as email out to a customer so that the customer knows exactly what to do and how to access all of their programs. That email is going to be attached with the licenses for both of those. That being said, that should hopefully get you going in the right direction. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to our help desk, our technical support, whoever's actually managing this from here on out. Reach out to them and they can get you going.